Hi guys, welcome to this video about download managers. We know these download managers since quite some time, about probably 15 years or so, maybe even longer. Some are around to go to illegal sites. I mean, they have been really widespread some 15 years ago with some torrents and yeah, I can't remember the site names. I haven't used such things for a long time, and I've just using the Chrome downloader and recently, I came to a site, the Teleboy. It's a German site, but I'm using that to download things. I mean, it's not illegal; it's a legal thing. You can record things from TV and then download. Yeah, especially when you have to be in located in Switzerland. Probably for other countries there are same things too. So let's say I want to download this thing, so I click on download and it's preparing now the thing and I click on save. And now you can see how long it takes. About, it says goes a little bit down, but usually it remains between 1 and 2 hours. Now it's pretty fast compared to other times, so it's stable at the moment at, let's see where it ends. So yeah, you just see it has been going down and up and down. So it's probably yeah, it has changed a lot. So probably stable at 40, 45 minutes or so. Yeah, 40 minutes. Now a little bit down, then probably again up. So what takes some time, yeah, at least it's above half an hour, definitely. So what can you do? Um, yeah, I've been doing some research. Somebody told me, yeah, there's an internet downloader. Um, and yeah, yeah, he told me that's really good. You have to use this one. I thought, yeah, I've seen that it costs some money. There's a free month, but after that you have to pay. And I thought maybe there are free versions around which do the same thing. And so I found this. It's really surprising that there's a Wikipedia site comparison of download managers. You can find this here, and there are a lot of download managers. You see really good overview. They say where on which platform they are available and if they have additional features like adware, malware, spyware protection, and so on, how much they cost, and so on. And I thought, okay, I try a few of these ones. And I also went to a page where I'm always downloading things. That's the chip.de. chip.de. That's German site, but it's a really good download site. So, and I tried some recommendations from there. And what happened is I got exactly with all these things which I downloaded. Were about between 5 and 10 things which I've tried. Had about yeah, they had exactly same speed as with the Chrome downloader. So it doesn't make any sense. I mean, apart maybe from spyware or something like this, but you can have these antivirus and so on. You can have apart from the downloader. You don't need a downloader for that. So I thought, yeah, okay. This guy told me try this, so yeah, why not? I mean, I know it's only free for the 30 days, but and I have to pay, I think it's 25 bucks or so after that, but it's lifetime. You can also see this here, Internet Download Manager. proprietary 24.95, but it doesn't say anything apart from that. It doesn't say it's faster than other things or something like that. So I thought, yeah, it will do same thing. So I don't expect something different. And yeah, you can find it here, internetdownloadmanager.com, and it site doesn't look really fancy. So I thought, yeah, okay, here, click on download. So why not? Yeah, 7 megabytes. It's not too much. Maybe it's downloading more data after that. But actually, I mean, a download manager doesn't have to be really huge. Now it's scanning for viruses. So yeah, still scanning. So it's good to go. I double click on that. Yes, I say install. Takes some time. Don't know what it's doing. Yeah, okay, next, accept, next. Yeah, I take standard folder, create an icon, next. So it doesn't take too much time. The install thing, let's do finish. And IDM has detected that you are using Windows dial-up network, no connect. To connect to your modem at the internet. Would you like to use these settings in IDM? So I don't know why he came up with this. I'm not using dial-up, of course. It's 20 years ago, so I just say no. And then it says about extensions. You can use extensions. So you can allow and yeah, those things. So we close that. I think it already did the integration. Hold on a second. Okay, that's the IDM integration for the Internet Explorer, I mean the Microsoft Edge browser. I'm actually not using the Edge browser. It's too slow, definitely. I've tried yeah, last 2 weeks because I had a problem with Telegram. I tried to use the Internet Explorer because I thought, yeah, it's standard anyway and it's good, but it's super slow. It's super slow. So fastest is still Chrome. Second was Firefox, and then way behind Internet Explorer. I don't know. Maybe there's Opera also really good. I don't know. I mean, here on the right side as an icon, maybe that's the no, that's not the I thought that's the um here, yes. I clicked on that and it says new extension. Yeah, it's in German. I don't know. I've changed to English. I don't know why it does. So he asks me if I wanna activate. So extension, activate extension. Yeah, it should be. I don't know. Okay, I can also activate it in incognito mode. So if you need that. So I hope it's already activated. Usually you can see that in the sys tray down here. So that's the thing here. So you can double click and see yeah, you see the history of your downloads, and you can still click on that and do things like delete or invoke whatever. So okay, close that. It remains here. I don't know if I have to reboot the Chrome, but I just do it. So let's go back to the download here and click on that. We do same thing, same quality. Here, yeah, okay. Automatic link capture, yeah, that's good. Okay, so at the moment that's good, and I just say start download. You can choose the folder. It says now it's download videos. You can just do download everything to downloads, or yeah, I can also say remember, and it probably doesn't ask me every time. So I say start download. And yeah, so at the moment it's a little bit disappointing. Wow, that was the worst example I ever did, because usually it's much faster than with Chrome. That's a little bit bad. So it's still faster. You have seen it was between 30 and 45 minutes. So now it says 22 minutes and it's stable. The thing is, you see it splits the download into several downloads. Here we have 8. I don't know if you can configure that. There's also a speed limiter. Maybe the speed limiter is set. No, it's not set. I don't know what's the problem now. Anyway, so I've been using, I mean, this is just a sample installation, and I'm using actually that since a couple of weeks. And usually, this is really a bad example now. I'm sorry for that. Usually, I've been doing this really many times. And usually, let's say if you have a download, it says like in Chrome, it says 1 hour. In the with the Internet Download Manager, you can expect maybe 10 to 15 minutes or so. So I had this. I mean, this is not my actually the computer which I'm using. It's another computer where I'm doing this recording. So I did same thing about 30 minutes ago on my normal computer, and Chrome was showing me 1 hour for download. And here, and with the Internet Download Manager, it told me 9 minutes. So 9 minutes instead of 1 hour. And this is like normal. I would say this is pretty much standard what I experienced. I have really experienced crazy difference. I really have to tell you. I don't know why it's not doing same thing here at the moment. I'm really a little bit disappointed. I can't remember that I did something different. So yeah, it remains a little bit below half an hour. So this is now a little bit later. Obviously, the download from the Internet Download Manager didn't work on the other computer. I mean, it worked, but it was not really a lot faster than with the Chrome standard downloader. I have no idea why it didn't work. Maybe it's an old computer or the wireless, they're too far away from the wireless. I don't know. But this is the result on my normal computer, which I'm always working on. And I've done this 100 times, really. And I get every time same result. So I have now made a screenshot from this download. I have started the Chrome download first. So when you download something, just click download, and then you see the download at the bottom of Chrome. But you can go also to settings on the right top. You can click on these three yeah, like here we have them too, these here you can click on the options, and then you get a menu, and then you can select downloads, and then you get a page like this, not the small windows of course, but the one in the back. Then you see it shows all the downloads, and here we have the last download. So here we have the file, and we get the URL, and we get some information about that. And I kept it running like usual. I was using VPN, and it said 2 hours left. It was about 2 gigabytes, and you see it's really slow, 224 kilobytes per second. And then I just copied, right click on that, copy URL or copy the link. I invoked the Internet Download Manager. Then you can go to add URL, just paste it. You don't have to do anything, because the good thing with the Internet Download Manager, it just copies the thing what you have in the clipboard already there. You don't have to paste or something. You can just right click here, copy, and you open the Internet Download Manager, add URL, and it's already there. You just have to click enter, OK, and I think 3 times OK or something like that, and then the download will start immediately. Of course, you can use the integrated download, the integration, the Chrome integration, but I didn't do that because I wanted to have first this Chrome download as a comparison. So I have both downloads same time. So it was really, it's not a manufactured picture, it's a real picture. So we really see both downloads, the original one in Chrome and the one from the Internet Download Manager, and you see instead of 224 kilobytes, it has 2082. What's that? Yeah, okay, it's a point. Yeah, of course. Then 2.082 means 2082 kilobytes per second. So it means about 9 times faster. And you see the time difference here. There are still 2 hours left, of course. Everything between 1 hour and 2 hours. They say 2 hours, even when it's maybe 1 hour 30, it says 2 hours. And here it says 4 minutes 34 seconds left. And it's not just like a one-time thing. It's always like this. It's always like this, because you see it splits the download into 8 different downloads. Means usually it's exactly about 8 times faster, sometimes even a little bit more, but usually it's at least 8 times faster than the original download. That works really good. It surprises me really that something like this really works, that hosting companies don't say, okay, that's too much, that's too fast, I don't want that. I have no idea how they solved this issue. I'm not an internet expert, but it seems that the Internet Download Manager is really the only program which does that. I've tried so many other things, like other free options, didn't work. So you have to pay at the end, after the 30-day free trial, you have to pay this $25, but it's for lifetime, and it's definitely worth the money. So if I find I will definitely I will add the URL to the Internet Download Manager in the description, so you don't have to Google that and end up on a website with viruses or something like this. I will just link the correct URL so you know that you are safe when you download it from there. That's a good thing. You can download it from the original page. The only thing is it really looks a little bit boring or old-fashioned, or and the problem when you go there, it looks a little bit, when it looks old, outdated, you think, oh wow, that is it really the right page? Yes, it is. It is definitely. It looks a little bit outdated, but no, it's not about selling a fancy product. It's an Internet Download Manager, and it just has to be fast, and it is fast. So I really can recommend that. Yeah, so I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just doing this because I've made good experience, and I just wanted to help you. Yeah, that's it for now. So if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.